Hey guys, welcome to the Testing Academy. My name is Pramod, and this is a very interesting question that someone has asked me that how many days it will take to basically learn Selenium, right? Eventually the question was how many days are sufficient to learn the Selenium. So in this video, I'm gonna give you the answer. So let's get started. All right, guys. First of all, let's understand what is the psychology behind why there are like certain group of people asking me this question, right? Means how many days it will take. So the point I think means this is again it can be an assumption from my side that uh, probably they are preparing for certain kind of an interview or they are fed up with the job that they are doing and they wanted to know if, for example, it takes like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or how many days it will take so that I can switch to another job and get rid of the current problem that I have, right? So it can be the situation number one, where the situation and the second situation can be they are just moving. Again, it's very similar to the two first problem. They want to switch to automation, right? So they wanted to know, okay, how many days it will take to switch to automation from manual testing, right? And there can be a third situation where they want to get refresh. For example, if they are mostly doing any kind of a performance testing related stuff and they want to know if they can add Selenium in their resume, right? So how many days it will take, right? There's actually, to be honest, from my side, means I have like nearly 8 9 years of experience now, and so I would say if you are talking about like how many days that is which are sufficient, I would say it's 30 days, I think, from my side. And let me back with the data, right? So I think to learn anything related to Selenium related, if you means I have seen people in the YouTube, on the YouTube especially, right? People are telling you, right, okay, do the crash course, for example, Selenium crash course for beginners, right? And if you watch those 2 hours of 2 or 3 hours of video, and then you will be able to write the test cases, right? That's enough. I would say totally fine. Again, I'll agree with you. You can learn it by doing like 3 hour, 4 hour stuff. But that's not the point, guys. The core concept is here is that uh, to learn Selenium, you have certain kind of a prerequisite, right? So prerequisite is like you should know the programming language. For example, if you are comfortable in Java, right, you have to get basically refresh your Java skills, right? So you should be aware or have a decent experience in the core Java especially, right? Because most of the time you will be using those concepts. So if you are doing with Python, you should have decent experience in Python, or programming means you have done certain kind of a projects in Python, right? So point here is that. So and if you want to learn only about the Selenium, right? So Selenium mostly is divided into the introduction part, certain commands, right? Selenium architecture, different ways to do that, handling your different browsers, keyboard interactions. After that, you will move to advanced stuff where you will basically create the Selenium framework. You will basically add to your CI/CD pipeline. You will learn about the Jenkins, how you can integrate your Selenium framework with the Jenkins. Plus, to if you are especially working with the Java stack I'm talking about, so you should know the basics of Maven, TestNG, alert report. If you are adding any kind of a report, like if you are adding external report, you have to know it. Concepts of oops and all, right? So these things are gonna take time. If you are only learning about Selenium and all, definitely 2 3 days or probably a week you can learn about the Selenium. But other things related to it, for example, if you are doing Selenium frameworks related stuff, right, and you want to do a hands-on, right, and I'm expecting like you are already working somewhere and you get the most of the time in your Saturday Sunday in that case, right? So approximately 30 days is a very sweet spot where you can get a sufficient knowledge about the Selenium. Plus, you can do the automation framework that you have prepared from someone helps, right? You can watch the series if you are interested. You can watch out our Selenium 30 days series also, and 30 days of automation testing, which is again a prerequisite. So in 30 days, you can definitely cover giving 1 hour or 2 hours a day. That's what actually the real one, right? If I'm You cannot give like full day in these things, right? For example, if you can be working somewhere, that's what I'm telling you. For 30 days, if you are taking a 30 days kind of a challenge where you can basically give 2 to 3 hours max, like 2 hours, it's enough to learn, to have to have Selenium get added to your resume or any kind of, for example, if you want to add on LinkedIn also, right? So that you get to do that. So sweet spot for the day is 30 days around me, and I'm going to tell you like how you can do that. So if you are interested in learning, first of all, I would suggest to watch my, let me give you one thing, like watch my automation 30 days challenge, right? If you can. And I'm not saying do only watch my videos. You can watch others also. If you are interested, definitely go with it. Watch the Selenium framework one, Selenium framework one, right? Again, it's 30 days, but again, I think you can cover it in 15 maximum days, right? If you are interested, I have seen people covering into 5 days also. So that's again the sweet spot, right? It's basically saying 30-day challenge, but definitely you can do it in less than 10 days or 12 days. Make sense, right? So that you can do it. Again, few more things related to CI/CD, Jenkins and all. Again, that will take uh, like nearly around like 2-3 days more, so that you have more understanding, because you will be doing hands-on also, right? So that's the point. Let me put here so that you can get the point, right? And that's pretty much it. After that, what you will have in the end, right? So you will have a custom framework that you have worked on, a website scenarios that you have automated, for probably 10 to 12 scenarios that you have automated. You have used most of the Selenium commands, for example, action classes, move to elements, and all other things like visit, get, and for move forward, and all those things. You have an understanding of locator strategies, like how you can able to find the CSS locator or XPath, those things, right? And more things you can learn about the framework knowledge that you have. So basically, you will be able to run your automation on CI/CD pipeline, right? And yeah, that's it. I think that's sufficient to know about it. Plus, in the end, for 2-3 days, you should be preparing for Selenium interview questions. So make sure you watch that playlist also, right? So cover around 40 plus 40-60 cases, not cases, about the interview question that generally people ask in Selenium. I think that's the sweet spot where you can get about it. If you are in a hurry, I would suggest, if you can give more time, that can take around 10 to 20 ish kind of thing. So don't take my words. I would suggest it's a sweet spot. I'm telling you, make sure you pay attention to your speed. It's totally depend on you. I've seen people doing it for a week and they are done with it, right? They are efficient to write those cases. So again, that depends upon the previous experience they have with the programming language. So if you are a new, 30 days is sweet spot. Do try it out and let me know in the comments. So what do you think about it? Like how many days it will take, and how do you want to do those challenges that I have discussed about? So links in the description, make sure you do that. Let me know if you have any question. I'm always available. I always reply to the videos. And thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in the next video.